All right, so we are doing a quiz today, and I don't know if you know how to do the math information. So, for this quiz today, you are going to be doing nomenclature. So, you're going to be naming things. With this situation, for like any question that you see like this, where you're going to have to write the equation, you're going to click in the text box and you're going to notice that it pulls this up. Now, you can write out letters. Okay. If you need to do a subscript, you would click this one right here, and then you would click the right arrow to move on to the next part. That would allow you to keep writing out what you need to write out. All right. If you want to be able to do show work, like, okay, so I know that this is carbon. Oh, so I know that this is carbon. Um, and carbon has a charge of, and then I look up the charge of carbon. If I can't find the charge, I can't find the charge, right? I'll then look at sulfide. So I know that the sign for sulfur would be S, and I know that I would have 2. All right. If I need to show my work for it, I can then do what I need to do and then hit enter to make the next one. But this is how you would do it. Remember, you have to have capital letters to get full credit. You don't want, if this was um, cesium, CS, I would want it to show CS with that lowercase s and not 2 capital letters or 2 lowercase letters. All right, that's how you would do that one. Um, the other types of questions you will have, besides writing out the chemical equation, will be these right here, where you'll be writing out what it's supposed to be. So you'll just type out whatever the element is. Okay, once again, if you want to end up showing your thought process to keep going and showing what it's going to look like, you can do that. I'm going to demonstrate with this one just like I did the first one. So you're going to notice that it's Hg, which is mercury. And then you're going to notice that it's a polyatomic ion of OH. And I'm going to provide you with a list of polyatomic ions to have as a reference, I believe, over here. If not, please be using your list of polyatomic ions that you currently have. Um, and it will help you out. So I know that mercury has a charge of 2, right? And I know that OH equals hydroxide and has a charge of -1. So I would write this out as mercury, parentheses, Roman numeral 2, hydroxide. All right, you have 31 questions total. Um, use your resources wisely. And best of luck. You will get 2 attempts on this quiz. The first attempt, after I grade it when we come back from spring break, I'll give you time to do a credit recovery and get a higher grade. So don't try to do both attempts today. All right, have a good one and have a great spring break.